Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at another smartwatch from this company, YAMAY, I don't know, and I'm about to do an unboxing. You will find in the link in the description below where you can find it. Now we have the model SW022. It comes in this package here. It's a nice box. We have the watch itself. Now keep in mind that I was trying the watch for like a week, maybe more than 1 week, in order to see how the watch works and to give you an overall opinion about this watch. Here we have the paperwork. Now after you buy this watch, you just scan this code here or go to this website and you can have like 1 year of extended warranty on the watch. This is the manual on how to charge the smartwatch. It has this other book here. This is the instruction manual, and this is the charger. Now for you to avoid reading that book, basically it's a magnetic charger where we can charge it like this and insert the USB to a laptop or a charging port. Now let's turn on the device. Now it has a bigger screen than my previous watch, and this silicone strap is very comfortable in hand. Even when I type that, I go like this. Now this is my old iPhone 7 and we can use this watch with an app also. So we have incoming call reminder, we have notification reminder for most of our apps, as you can see, from YouTube, Gmail, Instagram, Viber, Skype, WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, etc. We have do not disturb, lift to bright the screen, so we go like this. We can also use it as you saw here, it takes photos. We can set the phone in a distance and we just shake our watch in order to take a photo with the phone. We can change the watch faces here, and I've set mine to this watch face, the second one, like this, because it's very bright and even in direct sunlight we can see the watch. I want to tell you that the battery life on this watch is very good. I mean, I've charged it before like 5 days, because when the watch arrived it had very low battery and I charged it to 100% and look, I still have 75% left. So the battery life is very good. I believe that it can last you more than 2 weeks for an average use. The materials feel very premium. As we can see on the bottom of the watch, we have the sensors here. And let's take a look. Here we can change the brightness of the watch. We can activate do not disturb, and we have the direct option to find the phone. So when I press here and the watch is connected to the phone, it will vibrate here and it will alarm the phone. So this is a cool feature. And here we have all of our notifications. I don't have any because I've cleared all of them. It also serves as an activity tracker. It can measure the steps, how far have we walked, how much kilometers, and it can measure the calories. It can do a heart rate detection, it can measure the sleep, it can control music straight from the phone here to the watch. And we see that we have a lot of other options here. If we're stuck at any place and we want to go to the watch face, we just press the button here until the face appears. So yeah, this was the video guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.